Hello and welcome back to class. In this lecture, we will learn about Star Editor. Star Editor is a command line interface. Editor is an option which gives us to program a structure. It means we can either model a structure using graphical user interface or using command line interface. When Star was introduced couple of decades ago, people used to model structure using editor only and there were no other option. Now we have lots of flexibility. Let's create a new project. Select space and give file name as editor example. Select the units. By default it is coming as kilonewton and meter because we have selected matrix in configuration. When you change it to English, then you will get other units by default. Create a new project, select space, give file name as editor example, click on next, select open editor, click on finish. Let's create a node in Start Pro. To create node, we need to enter joint coordinates syntax and define node number, that is node number 1. One thing you note that each and every node in Start Pro is having 3 coordinates, that is x, y and z coordinate. Here for node 1, I will enter x, y and z coordinate as 0, 0, 0. That is origin, and second node is having coordinates 4, 0 and 0. Likewise, node number 3 is 4 meter away from the second node, so the coordinates will be 8, 0 y, 0 z. Semicolon indicates the end. Now close it. If you do not see anything here, just press Shift plus K, then you will see this node. Now let's check the distance. Every node are at a spacing of 4 meter. Now go to the transitional repeat. Select all this node using node cursor and click global Z, enter spacing as 5 meter and click on OK. Measure the distance. It is at 5 meter spacing. Now check it in editor file. You can see that we have created 3 more nodes at a distance of 5 meter. That is Z coordinate is 5. From this, it is clear that whatever changes we made in editor file will get automatically updated on the graphical user interface. Similarly, we can draw a beam by going to the editor, enter syntax member indices, beam number 1 lies between node number 1 and 2. Similarly, 2 indicates beam number and it lies in between node number 2 and 3. Just close it. You can see I have created a 2 beam. Beam number 1 which lies in between node 1 and 2 and beam number 2 lies in between node 2 and 3. Press Shift B to hide beam number and Shift N to hide node number. Editor is a powerful tool. It will help to make our work easier, not only modeling. Whatever load we will enter, whatever support we will give, whatever specification we will define will get automatically updated on the editor. Let's define support to this node. Add fixed support. Select these two nodes and assign support to the selected node. Now see it in editor file. You can see that the support has been created. Support number 1 and 2 is added. Now let's define the material. I'll select concrete and assign it to all view. Again check it in editor. You can see here the material which we have defined in the graphical user interface is automatically getting updated in the editor file as well.